Nancy Sahagon Quejada, 35 years old, registered nurse, medical VA, content creator, and a proud owner of Suzuki Fronks. Having an affiliate eye means hindi mo lang tinitingnan kung ano yung mga trending na products, but you should also check kung talagang makakatulong yan sa mga viewers mo. First thing kasi na ginagawa ko when choosing a product is to review the product and check the feedback from the real users. So kung hindi sila na-satisfy with the product, of course, I will not promote those. Talagang dream namin mag-asawa to have our own car, especially nung nagkaroon na kami ng anak. Na-visit namin lahat ng mga car dealers all around Nueva Ecija just to find that perfect car. And to tell you honestly, hindi siya talaga naging madali. Parang pinagpuyatan talaga namin yan. When we learn about the Fronks, Suzuki Fronks, hindi pa kasi siya nire-release dito sa Philippines. So, I'm really thankful na nahintay namin si Fronks. Kasi when we saw Fronks, so nagpunta kami sa release niya sa Suzuki Nueva Ecija, right then and there, we knew, nagkatinginan na lang kami mag-asawa. Parang nasabi na lang namin na, this is it, this is the one, ito yung first car natin. Talagang pwedeng-pwede siya for a small family, napaka-comfortable niya, and napaka-luxurious talaga nung interior niya. Kaya pag nagvi-video ako, sobrang ganda talaga. Actually, isa yun sa tinignan ko sa sasakyan, na dapat maganda talaga yung loob nito kasi kailangan ko to sa content ko. Since first time namin to own a car, so kailangan kako natin na meron tayong, alam mo yon, yung mga kagaya din natin na owners, kung ano yung mga problem nila, ano yung tips na pwede nilang ibigay. When I check online, wala talagang Fronks group pa. I think creating the Fronks group, it will not just help myself, but it will help the community. Again, it's about giving back to the community. Right now kasi, lumaki na siya into a supportive community na talaga naman nakaka-proud kasi people there or the Fronks owners talaga dito sa Pilipinas, they are willing to help each other talaga. So I'm really happy and I'm looking forward to what's next pa sa group na to. So when we were in Saudi, nag-start na kami ng The Merienda Project. Although wala pa siyang name before, we're visiting distressed OFW quarters. Nagbibigay na kami ng mga medicines, food, clothes, and other things na pwede naming i-offer. Really, the Merienda Project is all about giving back to the community. Sabi nga nila, pay it forward. Pag pinag-uusapan yung The Merienda Project, medyo I get a little emotional kasi talagang dream ko siya to do this. Before kasi, nanghihiram lang kami ng sasakyan from our family so that we can go around the community. Kasi yung pinaka-thought nung project na to, the Merienda Project, is just to go around the community and to give merienda. So when we got our Fronks, talagang napadali. And since it's fuel efficient nga, kahit mataas yung gasolina ngayon, talagang walang problem sa amin mag-ikot sa community and sobrang comfort talaga niya. For me, Suzuki Fronks represents growth and independence, and it also represents the life that I'm trying to build for my family.